In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to arrange your sidebar in Meta Business Suite. If you want quicker access to the tools you use most, customizing your sidebar is a simple way to make Meta Business Suite feel more organized and efficient. This helps reduce clutter and lets you keep your most important options visible on the left side of the screen. To begin, make sure you are in the Home section of Meta Business Suite. Starting from Home is important because that's where you can access the sidebar customization options. Once you're there, take a moment to look at the current layout so you can decide that what you want to keep, remove, or move around. Next, scroll down until you find the Edit option. Then click on it. This will open the area where you can manage which tools appear in your sidebar. If you don't see it right away, just continue scrolling a little further until it becomes visible. After that, you'll be able to choose the tools you want to appear on the left side. Check the items you want included in your sidebar. This is useful for highlighting the features you use most often, so your workspace matches the way you work. As you make your selections, think about which tools you need regularly and which ones you rarely use. On the right side, you can organize the tools you've selected. You can drag items to rearrange their order, which is helpful if you want your most important tools near the top for easier access. If there's something you no longer want in the sidebar, click the X to remove it. This gives you control over both what appears and how it is arranged. Take your time during this part because the order of your tools can make a big difference in how quickly you move through your daily tasks. A clean and well-organized sidebar can save time, especially if you use Meta Business Suite frequently. Once everything looks the way you want, click Save. This will apply your changes and update your sidebar layout. After saving, you should see your selected tools appear in the new order on the left side. And that's it. You've successfully arranged your sidebar in Meta Business Suite. Keeping your sidebar customized can make navigation easier and help you work more efficiently every time you log in.